Hello students, in the previous part of this chapter we have read about some characteristic of the living organism. Now let's study about the other characteristic of living organism, and first is living organism need energy.
All living organisms need energy to move, grow, food and the reproduction of their new ones. Living organisms respond to stimuli. That means they respond to their surrounding. If we put a pot on the window, it will bend toward the sun. Or we can say when we touch the hot utensil, we immediately respond. That is the reflex action, right? We have already read about the reflex action. That means if we immediately remove the hand from the hot or cold utensil, that is the respond to the stimulus or respond to the environment. All living organisms respire. They need respiration. They breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide out into the environment. This respiration gives the energy from the digested food. All organisms that respire exhale carbon dioxide and inhale oxygen. This process oxidize the digested food and produce energy for the living task. Living organisms also need energy for their reproduction. Plants also respire through their stomata. Stomata, which is present in the backside of the leaf. Living organisms reproduce their new ones. All living organisms like animal or birds, insects, human beings reproduce to their own kinds by their eggs or the new ones. Some of the organisms give birth directly to the new baby and some lay eggs to reproduce. Plants also reproduce through their seeds or the other part of the plant like leaves, stem, etc. We have read about the vegetative reproduction in the previous chapters. Like some plants grow with their leaves. Living organisms excrete waste. When the food is digested, the extra or undigested food which is no use for the body get excreted from the body. Every living organism excrete waste from the body. Even the sweat is also an excretion. That means excrete the waste by the skin. Plants also excrete waste from their leaves or stem in the form of gums, resin and vapors. Every living organism have a definite lifespan. They live their period of life and then die. Every plant and organism have their lifespan. Some has small lifespan and some have large lifespan. So this was all about the living and non-living things.